This video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the new ransomware type threat that is called Zozl or simply Zozl. This ransomware is the part of the Phobos ransomware family. Our team has discovered this Zozl ransomware while analyzing the samples that were submitted to the VirusTotal database. So this Zozl ransomware encrypts files and generates two ransom nodes and also renames the files. Before the ransomware attack, customers are able to open their files without any problems. Unfortunately, because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security system of the specific computer, this ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and pretty soon customers realize that something bad has happened with their files. Customers simply cannot open their files anymore because of this ransomware activity. Pretty soon they realize that this ransomware has renamed the files according to the following pattern. For instance, there is a special extension called JPG, which is decent, and the extension is the part of the pictures. However, the ransomware renames the files by adding the special unique identifier, then the email address, and finally the Zozl extension. You can see this to happen on the example of this specific file. So the image that we had has had the JPG extension, but after the encryption, some other data was added. Obviously, that's the problem, and people cannot use their files anymore. They have this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom surely does not guarantee that the files would be restored, and we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start investigating your device. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats, including this Zozl ransomware. It has got this special feature called anti-ransomware that allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So after the scanning is completed, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact location. And we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove these threats automatically and have your system protected in the future.